Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through your writing task for this program, which is the My Unlikely Personality Narrative. So we're taking a look at an event that happened in your life that changed or shaped your personality in some way. Because these are personal narratives, we want them to be very vivid with details. So we want imagery and we want to really put the reader in your shoes. So let's take a look at how you can do that. Some things you want to keep in mind are how exactly your personality changed. So, was it your behavior, your actions, the way you thought, or the way you felt? So, that's where the story is really going to come to life. Step one is to brainstorm. So, here we've just got 3 boxes. If you want to include more, you can. The brainstorming process is just to get your ideas out as much as possible. So, you'll list the event here. You'll include details about what you were like before the event and what you were like after the event. Step two is to choose the event you'd like to write about the most, so which will make the most interesting story. Next, we're going to break down the event chronologically, so it's in order. So again, thinking about how you thought and felt before the event happened, what was happening leading up to the event, describing the day of the event. This is really where the 5 senses come into play, that imagery. Did this event affect other people? Why or why not? How so? And next, how did you think and feel after the event happened? So for this, because we're just listing the events in chronological order, you can add as many rows as needed. Step 4 is to start writing. This is your first draft, so make sure that your narrative is told in the first person, it's in chronological order, it has imagery, it discusses the before and after, and that it's 2 pages in length. Step 5 is to review and revise. So like Fred Aceves mentioned during the author visit, you want to make sure that you're annotating and taking notes to see where you can add things or remove things just to make sure it's the best story possible. Let's take a look at an example from the book. So Marcos's major life event that we're going to use is him joining Future Success. Before the event, we know that he's not really interested in school. He keeps his thoughts, feelings, and insecurities hidden. And afterwards, we see him improve his grades. He has new friends that he can open up to and just be a little bit more vulnerable with. So if we break that down, we're looking at him being invited to the program. He decides to join to get closer to Amy, becomes friends with Zach, insults Mr. Bruckner, and tries to think that he doesn't need the program. And we see him recommit and try to improve himself, and he starts to take the programs more seriously. So we're going to look at chapter 7 here. This is Marcos beginning the program. We see it's in first person point of view. We see just in this whole paragraph is just straight imagery. We see exactly what the classroom looks like. There's colors, right? We can kind of picture what this looks like. And we also get towards the end here a bit about how he feels before the program starts. So he's definitely feeling sad. We also know that he has up that front, that he is trying to hide his feelings. So this is just a sample. Again, yours will be much longer. You're going for 2 pages. You're telling your full story. So I can't wait to read them. I can't wait to share them with Fred Aceves as well. And good luck.